Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so you guys see I got this HDZero. I don't know if you guys remember this one, but this is one of my HDZero creations, Franken quads that I made out of the Mobile 6 HDZero. And a little while ago I was complaining about the cameras on these things burning out. Well, I bought a slightly larger camera. This is the HDZero Runcam Nano HDZero, and so a little larger. I just forced it through that opening there. Of course, no camera protection, but hopefully I won't crash. But I just wanted to make sure that this thing was still working, the whole Lite system and all, and that I was correct by assuming that the cameras burned out. And sure enough, this camera works and the other cameras don't. So definitely was the cameras that were burning out, and so hopefully this one won't burn out. I'm out here out back on the deck, about to fly this thing, give it the first outdoor flight with this camera here. Hopefully everything goes well. Last time I was flying one of them out here, I think it was this one in particular, the camera just blacked out on me, so it burned out when I was flying out here. For no apparent reason. It wasn't raining or anything like that. It just burned out on my way back in. Good thing I got back to the deck before it actually went out on me, because I would have been completely blind and would have had to land wherever I was at. But anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air. It's a Sunday flight, y'all. I'm usually not too active on the channel on the weekends, but I'm starting to pick it back up, trying to keep it consistent too. Let's get this thing in the air. Got my Emax goggles out here, well, the monitor anyhow. It says 3.9 volts, so not full voltage, but it's good enough to take off with it. I have another battery for backup, two actually, so let's get this guy in the air. It's still doing that on me. It goes out when I first take off, and I have to land it and then take off again. I don't know what's up with this system. I'm not going to try to fly it too far away, because this is FR Sky D8. Kind of windy, wind trying to blow me back there. I need to turn my rates up on this thing. Let's see, you can see down here well enough to not smack into anything, any of these branches or anything out here in the alleyway. .4 volts. I'm gonna bring it in and swap out the battery, y'all. I can see well enough with this camera to navigate through this little branchy area there. Okay, so let's swap out this pack. Good thing about this HDZero system is when you unplug it, the video recording actually saves itself. Saves on its own. So swap out the pack to another 550. Okay, so we got signal. Looks like the battery is at full voltage. It's on that thing again. I have to take off twice. One of the props aren't spinning. Sheesh, dude. Pop coming in. Take off again. I forgot it flew out kind of far. Not trying to do too much, just doing a little testing with it. Let's try to hit that alleyway. Let's turn around. Kind of getting used to it. .5 volts. Let's slow it down. Get back over here. Felt like doing another flip, y'all. Let's bring it in. Oh. I wasn't paying attention, y'all. Landed right side up. Let's see if we can take off again. So I went and grabbed it, y'all, retrieved it. The rates were way too low for my liking, but I wasn't paying attention there and backed up into the weeds over there. So I had to make the walk of shame, go down and get this guy. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy that this camera does work. I can't really tell if it's better. I don't know. It seems like there might be a little more fisheye in this one. Not sure. It could be just me. I have to go back and look at the other video of the previous one. and also look at the video of this one. But in the FPV feed, it did look like I might have been on a little more wide field of view than I'm used to with this thing. But anyhow, I'm happy that it's up and running again. I have another camera coming for the other Whoop light system that I have that I'm trying out, and that's actually from SharkBite, and so I'm hoping that SharkBite works with HDZero. I got a hint that it does from a posting. Hopefully it does, because they're actually cheaper cams, and it's a Runcam too. So hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Thanks for watching.